In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop notifications from MiniPay app. If you're getting a lot of alerts from this app and you want to stop them, then follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to access MiniPay app info page. You can do this by just going to settings, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From this list, search for MiniPay, and here it is. If you tap on it now, look for permissions section, and under it you should see notifications. Currently you can see it is turned to yes, and if I open, all these 6 types of notifications are on. Among them, notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen, play sound, vibration, as well as permanent notifications. Instead of turning off one by one here, just go to show notifications button and turn it off. So that's how you can permanently stop MiniPay notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.